Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we're going to unbox this air fryer or air 5 Onemoon. So it's actually by Xiaomi Mijia Onemoon. And as you can see, some of the features here include eating chicken easily and say goodbye to greasy. No frying and steaming, baking is lighter. Something is wrong with the English though. Well, using high-speed air circulation technology and using air instead of hot oil, frying the food itself. You can cook delicious food with less fat. Okay, never mind. So it's basically an air fryer, uses 220 volts, 50 Hz, and can use up to 1500 watts. Its net weight is 3.6 kg and has a volume of 3.5 liter. And here is the size and diameter. White color, and inside it includes the air fryer. I believe this is some kind of ball of black, and this is the manual. Yeah, let's take a look around the box here. So this says you don't need oil to fry. You can control the temperature. It uses 360-degree air to fry and easy to use. And so without further ado, let's unbox this. What is this? This is the manual book in Chinese. Not sure what is this though. Plastic? I think. Tray. No, I think could be the tray with some rubber feet. And I think it's actually aluminium. Let's take a look inside, and it actually gives us an adapter, which is nice for export only. Yep, and travel adapter. And this is the plug itself. So luckily it comes with the adapter, so we can use it straight away later on. Non-detachable wires, hot thing coming out here. So this is the front of it, all white. We need to take this out to use it. So put it out, and this is how it looks like. Oh, okay, so it's touchscreen, and then you can, the display is over here. So I guess these are the functions though. Rotator 200 degrees, 25 to 30 minutes. Satay, I guess. Also the same temperature but 10 to 15 minutes. Chicken wing, 180 Celsius, 15 to 22 minutes. Big prawn, same temperature, same time. Rib, 200 degree, 20 to 25 minutes. And where is the French fries? 200 degrees, 15 to 22 minutes. So now we're going to power it on. Oh, so this is how you control. This is how you control the timer, and this is how you control the temperature. Maximum is 200. What else? This indicator. So these are not touchable, and these are temperature control. And also the timer control here, going downwards. Maximum. I see, so maximum 1 hour. And what is this? Mode. Yeah, this is the one you control the modes on, the ones up here, depending on what you cook. So first time using while heating it up inside to remove any impurities or odor when transporting. So we set it to 5 minutes at 100 Celsius just to clean it itself. Later on we'll try to fry French fries with it. So we have put in the French fries inside, and then we're going to try and
I hope so.
So let's go. Oh, it looks not bad, don't you think?
Does it cook?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
But I think it's too dry, that's why it's really... Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video if you find it useful. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.